In this video, I'll guide you through how you can use Google Map Street View on mobile or computer. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Let's start with computer. At the beginning, you need to open Google Chrome and click on Google Apps. Now find Maps and click on it. Now you have to search for your location. Let's go with my hometown. Now you have to zoom in. Now you have to find the road which street view you want to see. Let's go with this road. Now tap on this road. Then you will see these kinds of street view option will appear here and click on street view. Now you can check street view using computer. Let's go with mobile phone. At the beginning you need to open Google Map on a mobile phone. Then search for your location name. Now find the road which street view you want to see. And long press on the road. Then the street view option will appear here and click on it. To expand the street view, you can click on this expand icon. Now you can use Google Map Street View using mobile phone.